What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix low performance after updating your Windows OS to the latest version. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Windows updates are essential for keeping your PC secure and up to date with the latest features and fixes. However, sometimes they can also cause your PC to slow down or perform poorly after installing them. This can be frustrating and affect your productivity and user experience. Fortunately, there are some ways to fix this problem and restore your PC's performance to its optimal level. First, cleaning your old update files stored on your PC is recommended. These files have nothing to do with your current Windows version and might be potentially slowing down your system. To delete them, open your File Explorer and navigate to your C drive, and then to the Windows folder. Here, scroll down until you find the Software Distribution folder. Open it and proceed to delete all the files stored here. If some files don't get deleted on their own, you can safely skip them. When this is done, it's time to clean your C drive for all unnecessary files that might be taking up tons of space without you ever knowing. While you can manually delete them, it's recommended to make use of the Run command window. Finding and deleting unnecessary files on your own would just take too long and might not be in your best interest. Search for Clean MGR in your Start menu search to open the Disk Cleanup app. In the pop-up window, select C drive. Now, proceed to check all the options and click on OK to do a clean sweep of your C drive. Click on Delete Files if prompted to confirm your decision. Once these files are deleted, you might already notice how your Windows PC is performing a bit better. After you've cleaned your C drive of all unnecessary files, it's time to stop background apps from automatically starting whenever you boot up your system. These applications run in the background and cause a significant load on your CPU, especially when using an outdated CPU. To disable these startup apps, open up your Task Manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. In the left side pane, navigate to the Startup Apps tab. Right-click any application that you don't need right upon booting up your system and proceed to disable it. Keep an eye out for the high-impact startup apps and proceed to disable them, even if you need them on startup. You should manually start these resource-intensive apps, like Discord or Steam, if you need them on startup, as having them start automatically on startup can cause a lot of performance issues on your PC. Lastly, it could be that your Windows OS has corrupted files after updating. Windows has a built-in command that lets you scan all your system files and repair them if found corrupted. To check for corrupted files on your C drive, search for CMD in your Start menu and proceed to run the command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, enter the command sfc/scan now and hit enter. This process will take some time to complete, but will effectively repair any malfunctioning system files if found. Be patient and let your PC handle the rest. After this is done, search for Troubleshooter in your Start menu and hit enter. In the System Settings window, click on Other Troubleshooters, and on the next page, proceed to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will try to diagnose and fix any Windows Update-related problems on your PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.